Hi everyone, this is just going to be a really quick tutorial on how you can add colour filters to your iPad display. This is an accessibility feature that's built in, and it's something that would mainly be used by people maybe with colour blindness, or also can help those with dyslexia when reading on the iPad screen. So you've got your home screen here, and the first place we're going to want to go is to the settings. So if you're going to press settings, it'll open up like this. You'll be on general, and down the left hand side you want to just scroll down until you see accessibility. You're going to select that. Next, once we're on accessibility, we're going to come just near the top of the list down to display and text size here. Once you open it, this is the menu you should be seeing now. And here we need to scroll down towards the bottom, and there's an option here called color filters, and at the moment they're turned off. Okay, so what we're going to do is select that one, and we've got our colour filters here now. So I'm just going to change the little graphic at the top first to this one, and there are going to be some pictures inserted in a second to show you the difference with this filter between the different filters if they're turned on and off. So I'm going to select colour filters, and the first one that will come up is grayscale. Okay, then we've got our red-green filter, which is one of the main examples of colour blindness that people will suffer from, so this helps massively with this. We've got a green-red filter, got a blue-yellow filter, and then at the bottom we have a colour tint. Now this, you can use the sliders along the bottom to change the intensity, which will vary how much the colour overlay changes, along with the hue. So between these two sliders you'll be able to find what's right for yourself. Okay, I hope that's helped, and if there's any other questions, leave some comments below and I'll have a look at other accessibility features to help out.